What's the meaning of bawdy? Bawdy. Bawdy.
Body. Body. The term bawdy typically refers to something that is lewd, indecent, or sexually explicit in nature. It often involves humor that is considered vulgar or offensive, and is commonly associated with topics such as sex, bodily functions, and innuendos. While bawdy humor has been popular throughout history and can be found in various forms of media, it is important to note that it may be considered inappropriate or offensive by some individuals or communities. Some examples of bawdy humor include dirty jokes, raunchy comedy sketches, and suggestive puns or wordplay. Despite its controversial nature, bawdy humor continues to be a significant aspect of modern culture and entertainment.